Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And today we will read about the differentiation. It means definition of differentiation, denoted by differentiation and standard formula. Okay. First, definition of differentiation: the process of deriving the derivative of a function is called differential. Okay. It is denoted by dy dx of fx. Fx, it means function. Dy dx, it is denoted by dy dx derivative, or d over fx or f dash x. Okay. Again, the process of deriving the derivative of a function is called differential. It is denoted by dy dx of fx or d over fx or f dash x. Okay. Standard formula: dy dx of x to power n. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy dx of x to power n is equal to nx at n minus 1. Dy dx of e to power x is equal to e to power x. Dy dx of a to power x is equal to a to power x into log e base a. Dy dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Dy dx of c, it means constant term 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinite value, is equal to 0. dy dx over 4 equal to 0. dy dx over 10 is equal to 0. dy dx over 1 is equal to 0. C, it means constant term. Okay. dy dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. dy dx of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. Apply the formula x to power n. Okay. dy dx of sin x is equal to cos x. dy dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. dy dx over tan x is equal to sec square x. dy dx over cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. dy dx over sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. dy dx over cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Okay. Cos, cot, cosec, negative derivative. Okay. Sin, tan, sec, positive derivative. Note: function fx plus minus function gx of dx. dy dx over fx plus minus gx. 2 terms, 3 terms, 5 terms, 4 terms, anyone. dy dx over fx plus minus dy dx over gx. Okay. dy dx over u into v multiplied by two function u into v, first into second, or fx into gx. Okay. Multiplied by two function u first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. U first function, v second function. Okay. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Okay. 3 part: dy dx of u by v, numerator by denominator. Okay. U by v, numerator by denominator, is equal to denominator into dy dx of numerator minus numerator into dy dx of denominator by denominator whole square. It means v into dy dx over u minus u into dy dx over v upon v square. Okay. Two function plus or minus and multiplied by function u into v Divide by function u by v, d by dx or u upon v, d by dx or u into v. Exercise 7.1, question number first. Let fx is equal to sin x square. Find the derivative of following function with respect to x. Find the derivative of following function with respect to x. Let first question, function fx is equal to sin x square. Okay, differentiating with respect to x, we get differentiating with respect to x, it means d by dx. Differentiating with respect to x, d by dx or fx equal function fx is equal to sin x square. The function f will be differentiated twice. The function fx will be differentiated twice. Okay, first derivative d by dx over sin x square into second derivative d by dx over x square. Okay, first derivative d by dx over sin x square into second derivative d by dx over x square. The function f will be differentiated twice, sin and x square. d by dx over fx is equal to f dash x equal x square. Let x, it means sin x. Derivative of sin x is equal to d by dx over sin x is equal to cos x. It means x is equal to x square and cos x square into d by dx of x square. X square, it means apply the formula, because d by dx over x to power n is equal to nx n minus 1. X square x to power n, it means n is equal to 2. X square d by dx of x square, n is equal to 2. 2x 2 minus 1 is equal to 2x. It means derivative of x square is equal to 2x equal 2x into cos x square implies f dash x. Okay, question first complete. Second question, let y is equal to 10 to x plus 3. Let y equal to 10 to x plus 3 or fx is equal to 10 to x plus 3. Okay, anyone. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy dx over y is equal to, the function f will be differentiated twice. First derivative 10 and second derivative 2x plus 3. First dy dx over 10 2x plus 3 into second derivative dy dx over 2x plus 3. Okay, is equal to dy by dx. Derivative of function y is equal to dy by dx equal to tan over 2x plus 3 let x. Tan x. 2x plus 3 let x. Tan, it means tan x. Derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. Sec square x. X is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. Tan 2x plus 3, it means tan x. Tan x is equal to sec square x. X is equal to 2x plus 3 into dy by dx of 2x plus 3. It means positive first term plus second term. dy by dx over 2x plus dy by dx over 3 is equal to sec square 2x plus 3 into dy by dx over 2x. Constant term out, 2 into dy by dx over x plus dy by dx over 3 is equal to sec square 2x plus 3 into 2 into dy by dx over x to power 1. Apply the formula x to power n. It means dy by dx of x to power 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus dy by dx over 3. Constant term, derivative of constant term is equal to 0 because dy by dx over c it means constant term is equal to 0. dy by dx over 3 is equal to 0. dy by dx over 4 is equal to 0. It means 2 plus 0 2 into sec square 2x plus 3 dy by dx. Okay. Next question 3. Let y is equal to sine or cos x square. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of function y is equal to dy by dx. Okay, equal to the differential of the function sine over cos x square will be 3 times. The differential of the function y will be 3 times. First times sine, second times cos, and third x square. Okay. Again, the differential of the function y will be 3 times. First derivative sine, second derivative cos, and third derivative x square. It means dy by dx over sine over cos x square. First derivative sine into second derivative cos, dy by dx over cos x square into third derivative x square, dy by dx over x square. Okay. First derivative sine, second derivative cos, third derivative x square implies dy by dx is equal to sine over cos x square let x is equal to cos x square. It means sine x. Derivative of sine x is equal to cos x is equal to cos x square. Okay. Let x is equal to cos x square. It means sine x. Derivative of sine x is equal to cos x is equal to cos x square into cos x square let x. Okay, it means cos x square is equal to x. It means cos x is equal to derivative of cos x is equal to minus sine x is equal to x square into derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Okay, equals to minus 2x sine x square into cos or cos x square dy by dx. That is answer. Okay. First derivative sin, second derivative cos, third derivative x square. Next question. Question number 4. Let y is equal to sec x minus 1 by sec x plus 1. Okay. Implies y equal to, apply the formula sec x, 1 by cos x minus 1, 1 by cos x plus 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. LCM of numerator, LCM of denominator of cos x implies y is equal to 1 minus cos x by cos x, 1 plus cos x by cos x. Cos x cancel out. It means y is equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Okay. Last function y is equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. When differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of function y is equal to dy by dx. Derivative of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Apply the formula u upon v, numerator by denominator. Okay, u upon v is equal to dy by dx over 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, numerator v, denominator v is equal to 1 plus cos x into dy by dx over 1 minus cos x. Apply the formula u upon v is equal to v into derivative of u minus u into, it means 1 minus cos x into dy by dx over denominator 1 plus cos x by denominator of whole square. It means v square, 1 plus cos x of whole square. Okay. Apply the formula dy by dx over u upon v, numerator by denominator is equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator of a whole square. Okay, is equal to 1 plus cos x, same to same. Okay, into dy by dx over 1 constant term, it means derivative of constant term is equal to 0 minus dy by dx over cos x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, it means minus plus sin x. Okay, minus 1 minus cos x, same to same, into derivative of 1, it means constant term, derivative of constant term is equal to 0 plus cos x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, it means 0 minus sin x by 1 plus cos x of whole square is equal to 0 plus sin x, it means sin x into 1 plus cos x, 0 minus sin x, minus plus sin x into 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x of whole square. Okay, is equal to sin x into 1 sin x plus sin x into cos x plus sin x into 1 sin x minus sin x into cos x by 1 plus cos x of whole square. Sin x, cos x, cancel out. Is equal to sin x 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos x of whole square. implies dy by dx is equal to 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos x of whole square. Okay, that is answer. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.